has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, northern Lee County and north central Illinois, eastern Noble County and north central Illinois until 10:30 p.m. At 9:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Stillman Valley to 5 miles southeast of Morgan to Dixon and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Franklin Grove around 9:45 p.m., Ashton around 9:55 p.m., Hillcrest around 10 o'clock p.m., Rochelle around 10:05 p.m., Kirkland around 10:10 p.m., Kingston around 10:20 p.m., Malden, Genoa around 10:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Davis Junction, Creston, and Stewart. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Sunday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.